This is Thingiology, the story of your things. In this video, we'll take a look at how to add a thing in your Thingiology account. First, go to thingiology.com in your browser and sign in. Once you're here, make sure you're on the Things tab in the top banner menu. This will take you to the My Things page where all of your things live. Click the plus sign icon on the far right underneath the banner, and the Add Thing window will appear. In this window, we'll move down the list to check off all the features of a thing. First, type the name of your thing in the title box. Then, you can type the story or history about your thing in the description box, or you can also wait and add this later. When you're done, click on Add Photo to upload a photo of your thing. Once you do that, the Add Image window will appear. Here, click in the Select the File to Upload area. From here, you can choose a photo from your computer, or drag and drop the photo you want into the window. For easy uploading, we recommend creating a folder on your computer with all the images you want to add to Thingiology. Once you select your photo, the Crop Image window will appear. You have the option to crop or rotate the photo as needed by clicking on these icons above the image. This is optional. When you're done, click the Save button at the bottom. Another optional feature is to add an audio recording of the story or history of your thing. To do this, go to the Recording section and click Add File. Once you do, the Recording Options window will appear. From here, you have two options. One, you can choose an audio file from your computer or drag and drop the file you want into this window. This is essentially the same method you use to upload your photo. The second option is to record your audio now. To do this, first, click on the Start Recording button at the bottom of the window and tell your story, like this. Allow the microphone. This is the story of my trip to California when I saw all the churches. When you're done with your recording, click the Stop Recording button like I just did. To listen to your recording, click on the Play button on the left. Or, if you don't want to use the recording and you want to start over, click on the Clear Recording button at the bottom, or click on the red X on the right to delete your recording altogether. You can also click on the black X at the top of the window to exit this recording window completely. If you do want to use this recording, when you're ready, click on the Save button at the bottom. Next, you'll decide where you want your thing to live in your Thingiology account. First, select your workspace. A workspace houses the things belonging to one person or entity. Most first-time Thingiology users will have just one workspace. For example, My Apartment or My Home. Now, click on the drop-down menu to select your workspace, or create a new one if you need to. You can also add more workspaces later as you need them. Next, you'll choose the collection that you want your thing to be in. A collection is a grouping of similar things, named and organized by you. For example, you might have collections for your paintings, antiques, books, sports awards, anything really. Click on the drop-down to select the collection your thing will be included in, or click on Add Collection to create a new one. Selecting a workspace and collection for your thing is required, but there are also two optional areas where you can add more information. These are the beneficiary and value fields. A beneficiary is the person or organization to whom you want to give your thing. For example, a mother can add her son as a beneficiary. This is useful for estate planning purposes if you plan to use Thingiology to create a memorandum of personal property. Click on the drop-down to add a beneficiary. Next, you can also add the monetary value of your thing in the value box. This is especially helpful when you plan to use Thingiology to manage items you're buying or selling. For example, at a garage sale, an art gallery, or when you're planning an estate sale. Type in the value. Once you've completed all of these steps, click on the Save button at the bottom. And you're done. Your thing is now going to be saved into your Thingiology account. You added a new thing. You just learned how to add a thing. For more help videos and articles, go to thingiology.com/help. Thanks for using Thingiology, the story of your things.